This is my Traxxas Slash 4x4 VXL, and a few days ago, I broke one of the drive shafts, and it looks like the other rear drive shaft is getting a bit worn out. So I got two heavy-duty drive shafts to throw in, and once it's all ready to go, we can take it outside and test it out. I'm actually going to put these in over on a live stream. I'll try to remember to put a card to the replay of that in one of these corners if you want to watch that. But for this video, I'm just going to cut to whenever I have it all ready to go. There we go, we got both of the drive shafts in. Now I did notice, mostly on the left side here, there's a little bit of play in this one here where it connects to the differential. It just wiggles around a little bit. So I'll have to look into that at some point, but I have like an hour to finish this entire video right now, and then I'm leaving for a vacation for like a week and a half, and I want to post this while I'm on vacation so I don't just miss uploading for over a week again. So for now, we're gonna take it outside for a quick rip, and then later on we'll have to investigate that. But anyways, yeah, let's go outside.